Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this AI Customer Service Chatbot, which is Tidio. So before we get started, do you know that this video is based on user collective review? So let's get started. Tidio is a smart AI chatbot platform that helps business handle customer support and sales effortlessly. Its literal AI assistant answers questions automatically, while live chat and multiple channel inbox features keep communication smooth across website, emails, and social media. It's beginner friendly, it integrates well with Shopify and WordPress, and also offers a solid automation tools even on a free plan. Also, Tidio free trials is very limited, and its advanced features like analytics and deep customization require a paid plan. For every tracking request file may hit a chatbot interaction cap quickly. So in conclusion, Tidio is perfect for small to mid-sized business wanting a very fast AI-driven support, but scaling teams might need something more robust or something more bigger than this. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.